Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: a script manager and the image you want to show. Install TamperMonkey or Stylus now, then upload or host the image. Keep it under 1 megabyte for speed. Once done, open Google. Com and inspect the Doodle element. Note its class or ID so you can target it. Make sure the manager has permission for Google. Com. You're not changing Google's servers, you're overriding what your browser displays, which is why this is reversible and local. Now you craft the rule that swaps the doodle. In a user script, wait for the element, then set its src or replace inner HTML. In CSS, target the doodle selector and apply background image, URL, your URL with background size, contain. Once done, reload Google. Com and watch for timing issues. Some doodles load after scripts run. If so, use a mutation observer or set interval to reapply until the element appears. Make sure your selector is specific. Finish by saving and syncing your script or style so it persists across browsers or devices. Export a copy for backup and include notes about the doodle selector and the date. Google changes classes occasionally. If the replacement stops working, clear your cache, confirm the manager has Google. Com permission, and inspect the console for errors. Most failures are selector mismatches or blocked mixed content. If needed, update the URL or switch to a data image base 64 to avoid remote host issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.